Dates and walnut cake is one of my favorite loaf cakes to have along with cup of coffee or tea. A beautifully moist sponge base packed with juicy dates and crunchy walnuts. This cake is rich in natural fibers and natural sugar as dates. This eggless date and walnut cake is one such recipe that you can make as healthy as you like and thus is a perfect for all sudden cravings. This date and nut bread is a healthier treat made without refined flour or refined sugar. A cake that you can feel good about eating. So, in case you are on a diet or still want to indulge in a slice of cake, then this is a cake you must try. I was completely baffled how a cake without eggs can be this good. So, what is the secret? The secret would lie in the dates paste, which lets this cake desired sweetness as well as keeping it moist at the same time. So, starting with the recipe, pit the dates and soak them in hot milk for approx 30 minutes or till it softens. Always use best quality dates as dates also make the cake soft. This ensures that the dates are soft enough to be blended into fine paste. Even you can use chopped dates to reduce the soaking time. Meantime, sieve your dry ingredients, whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, and take out 1 tablespoon of flour and add into chopped walnuts. Mix well to coat them and set aside too. This ensure that walnuts do not sink to the bottom of the pan while baking. Oil the base and sides of the loaf pan and line with parchment paper. Dates, if they are soft, then blend the soaked dates along with the milk to form a smooth paste. And this moist eggless butter-free date and walnut cake has the right amount of sweetness to satisfy those sweet cravings. It is also a perfect tea time cake. This is the best ever date loaf cake with walnuts that I have had so far, considering it does not have flour, butter, sugar, eggs. Everyone must try this amazing eggless date and walnut cake because you will surely be adding this to your baking list. Then add oil and again mix well so that dates mixture and oil will combine well, and take out the mixture in a large bowl and again whisk using ballon whisk so that it forms a homogeneous mixture. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients, preferably add in batches and fold using cut and fold method using spatula until most of the dry flour is incorporated. Finally, add the coated walnuts and fold everything to form a smooth cake batter, and if required, add milk to set the consistency. Transfer to the prepared pan and again top with additional chopped walnuts and bake in preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes or until till the toothpick comes clean from the center. Once baked, let the cake cool in a cake pan itself for another 10 to 15 minutes and then transfer it to a cooling rack to cool completely. In fact, the flavor matures upon resting and the cake tastes best the next day. If you like the video, do like, share and comment to motivate me to make more such type of healthy videos. Stay tuned.